everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole, and as promised, the countdown is on to our next great special. As of today, we are only 2 days away from our Father's Day weekend special. Hold on, I have a sign. 2 days. Come on, it's cute, and my kids helped me make it. All right, that's right, 2 days away to the next great sale for Atlantic Flag and Pole. Our website is www.atlanticflagpole.com, and here are the details. We are doing another double savings promotion. That means we're giving you a certain amount off of our flagpole kits, and we're giving you a special discount on our solar lights. Here's how it works. You can add any one of our flagpole kits to the cart, and we will have already adjusted the price by $30, so you don't have to do anything. This weekend only, they will just be automatically adjusted by $30. We are bringing the price down. Then you can also choose the solar light that you want. Any of our best selling Lumen Series solar lights, 400, 600, or 800 series, they all qualify for this promotion. So add one to your cart and then apply the discount code 50LIGHT. That's 50LIGHT, and that will take $50 off of your solar light. So you save $30 on your flagpole, $50 on your solar light, with a total savings of $80 when you buy those two items together. In addition, we are bringing back our ever popular Sweet 16 discount code. So if you've already got a flagpole, you can add other accessories to your cart, and you could use Sweet 16, Sweet 16, and that will take 16% off of all the accessories that are in your cart, okay? So we hope that you go and take advantage. July 4th is right around the corner, and it's our hope that there is an American flag flying in every citizen's yard all across this great nation. So help us out, spread the word, spread the love, and let's show them how it's done, Patriots, and let's spread some patriotism.